Hello and welcome back to A Course in Miracles. We are on the Workbook for Students. We're on Lesson 113, which is a review of chapters 95 and 96. 95 is I am oneself, united with my Creator. Serenity and perfect peace are mine, because I am one self, completely whole, at one with all creation and with God.
Number 2, salvation comes from my one self, from my one self whose knowledge still remains within my mind. I see God's perfect plan for my salvation perfectly fulfilled.
On the hour, I am one self, united with my Creator. On the half hour, salvation comes from my one self. So this is a beautiful reminder to, as to who we are and whether we need technology or not,
Yes, we
based on
just
our
need
prior
more
conversation.
stillness. Yeah,
Pardon?
we need more stillness.
Yeah. We need more stillness and introspection and
Mhm.
remembering who we are in our insanely abundant and simple energetic lives
Yeah,
with God, with
yeah.
God. Yeah.
I
This might
feel,
be our shortest one yet.
yeah, well, I mean, they don't have to be long when they're so perfectly targeted, right? I am one self united with my creator. When I walk out onto the deck in the morning and the sun touches the autumn leaves, that is exactly what comes to my mind. And it just feels like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I totally am one with my creator, right? I
Right.
see it, I feel it, I embody it. I'm so grateful. It's so beautiful. I'm just trying to take it all in with my eyes,
Yeah.
right?
It's magic. It's absolute magic.
Yeah. Yeah, we just need more of
And
those moments.
yes, and yesterday was a rainbow day. My student came home and said, Look at the rainbow. It's amazing."
Mm.
So I don't know if I shared it with him. I took a picture of it and it was like one of the most vivid rainbows I've ever seen, ever.
Wow.
And it was just the one end landing in the
Yeah.
orchard down below me, and it was vivid.
Oh, I
You
can't
could
wait to look
vividly
for
see
it.
every color. Of course,
That's
my phone does not take a very good picture. Samsung used to take really good pictures, and now
yeah.
it's like
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah,
Yeah,
interesting.
but yeah, it just is reminds us to be present in the
Mhm.
moment,
Yeah.
in your heart, feeling and being grateful. That's the
Yeah.
simplicity of it all,
Yeah.
and just remembering. We just need to remember who we are.
Yeah. I feel it's so easy when I'm outside,
Yeah, me too. Me
right?
too.
There's a natural connection, right? The sun's touching your skin. That's not nothing, right?
That's
Right?
everything.
Yeah, yeah, right. Oh,
For me, that's everything.
yeah. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then salvation comes, yeah, God's creation
Yeah.
is magic. It's magic to our body, it's a magic to our soul, our heart, our
Mhm.
well-being, everything,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. As Kat would say,
And
it's alchemy.
yeah.
Mhm.
And fall's not my favorite. But I'm starting to embrace it a little because I love summer. I don't want summer to
Mhm.
ever end.
Right.
Mind you, I don't want to live in Mexico where it doesn't ever end. I guess I kind
Right.
of like the changes, but I
Mhm.
also am like, can summer be like the majority of the year, please? Thank you. Anyway, because I'm already wearing my parka because it's cold and windy.
Yeah.
But the colors
Mhm.
this year around where I live are like the reds have. I mean, all the leaves have come off now, but it's like the most
Yeah.
vivid red I've ever seen.
Yeah.
And the yellows against the blue sky. We've had such beautiful days.
Mhm.
Um, Stunning.
Yeah.
The colors have just been stunning,
Yeah.
and my soul needs that
I
because that's
agree.
what summer is, the big blue sky. Yeah,
Mhm.
I don't know. I don't know what can explain it.
No, you nailed it.
Yeah, give
Yeah,
me
very
nature any
nice.
day. Yeah.
No kidding,
Alrighty.
eh?
We're reminded to be so on the hour, I am one self united with my creator.
Mhm.
And on the half hour, salvation comes from my one self.
That's right.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you, Henry.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.